Tech fans have been asking one big question for years. When will a tablet finally replace a traditional laptop? We have been waiting for this exact moment for a very long time. Every year, tech companies make huge promises. Apple always tells us the iPad is the future of computing, but every single time, users run into major limitations. The software or the hardware always holds back your true potential. Well, that long wait might finally be over. The tech world is buzzing with massive news right now. The upcoming iPad Pro is rumored to feature the brand new M6 chipset. This single upgrade is about to change absolutely everything we know about mobile computing. This is definitely not just a regular boring update. We are not talking about a tiny speed bump or a minor cosmetic change. This is setting up to be the biggest transformation the iPad has ever seen since its original launch. The newest leaks from the supply chain paint an incredibly exciting picture. They reveal a futuristic device that completely blurs the line between a portable tablet and a heavy-duty professional workstation. For a long time, people viewed tablets as devices just for consuming content. You use them to watch movies, scroll through social media, or read articles. But this new device changes that entire narrative. It turns the tablet into a machine meant for heavy creation. You might look at the current iPad Pro on the market today and think it is already insanely powerful. It handles heavy tasks easily, and you might think it cannot get any better. That is a very reasonable thing to think because Apple Silicon already leads the entire industry. But Apple is preparing something on a whole new level. They are not content with just staying ahead of the competition. They want to completely reset your expectations. Get ready for a major shift. The next iPad Pro is not just about raw processing speed. It is about much smarter performance across the board. It focuses heavily on massive improvements in advanced artificial intelligence processing. It is about pushing the absolute limits of Apple Silicon to brand new performance heights that we have never seen in a mobile form factor before. Let us dive deep and talk about the actual brain of this new beast. The heart of any great computer is its processor. The latest leaks strongly suggest that the new M6 chip is an absolute monster. The manufacturing process alone is a marvel of modern engineering. We are looking at a massive CPU boost. Early reports point to up to a 20% increase in CPU performance compared to the previous generation chip. A 20% jump is huge when you consider how fast the current chips already are. It means every single action you take will happen instantly. There will be absolutely zero lag when launching heavy applications. Web pages with complex code will load in the blink of an eye. But that CPU boost is not even the best part of the entire story. The real magic lies in the graphics department. For the very first time ever on an iPad Pro, Apple might include a huge 12-core GPU. Just think about what that actually means for your daily workflow. You will literally be holding desktop-class graphics power right in your hands. You will not be tied down to a desk or a heavy wall outlet. This opens up possibilities that were completely impossible on a mobile device just a few years ago. With a 12-core GPU, you will experience perfectly smooth 8K video editing. You can scrub through multiple streams of high-resolution video without seeing a single dropped frame. This is a dream come true for video editors who travel constantly. For artists and designers, it means much faster 3D rendering. You can create complex digital worlds and see the results in real time. It also means true console-level gaming. You can play the most demanding modern video games at high frame rates. And you can do all of this on a stunning screen that you can simply toss right into your backpack. This is real workstation power packed inside a tablet body. It is a machine that is actually thinner than most laptops available on the market today. However, all of this amazing power brings up a major concern. It is the big topic that everyone in the tech community is talking about right now. That concern is the physical design of the device. Apple is expected to keep the ultra-thin 5.3mm design language. We all absolutely love how incredibly thin and light the current iPad Pro feels in the hand. It feels like you are holding a piece of the future. But this thin design creates a massive engineering challenge. How on earth does Apple cool that much raw power inside such a paper-thin chassis? High-performance chips generate a massive amount of heat when they work hard. Laptops use big fans and large copper pipes to get rid of this heat. The iPad Pro does not have room for fans. This brings up the dread of thermal throttling. Thermal throttling is a huge problem for power users. If a chip gets too hot, the internal system naturally has to slow down its speed. It does this to protect the internal components from burning up. If the system slows down constantly, it completely defeats the purpose of having an incredibly fast M6 chip. You would only get peak performance for a few minutes before the device slows to a crawl. This cooling issue is the single biggest question mark surrounding the device right now. Tech insiders and professional engineers are still heavily debating how Apple will pull this off successfully. There are many theories going around. Maybe Apple has invented a brand new type of heat dissipation material. They might be using a futuristic vapor chamber system that fits into microscopic spaces. They could be using advanced software algorithms to manage the heat perfectly. We will just have to wait and see how the final retail version handles heavy stress tests. If they solve this, they change the laws of physics for mobile design. Now let us move on to a specific issue that has deeply frustrated loyal iPad users for many years. That issue is the system RAM. One of the biggest complaints with current and past iPads has always been the unfair RAM split. Apple historically divided the RAM based on the storage models you purchased. If you wanted more RAM for heavy multitasking, you were forced to spend a massive amount of extra cash. You had to buy the super expensive 1 TB or 2 TB storage models just to get 16 GB of RAM. The lower storage models were stuck with less RAM. This corporate decision was incredibly annoying for professional users who were working on a strict budget. It felt like an artificial limitation designed to make people spend more money. But according to the latest supply chain leaks, Apple could finally eliminate that old rule entirely. Yes, you heard that absolutely right. Apple might finally give every single M6 iPad Pro model a whopping 16 GB of RAM as a standard feature. Even the cheapest base version will get the full 16 GB right out of the box. You will no longer have to pay a massive premium just to get the memory you need for professional work. This single change would completely transform how you use the device every single day of your life. With 16 GB of standard RAM, multitasking will become completely flawless. Heavy professional workflows will run without a single hiccup or slowdown. Features like Stage Manager will finally live up to their full potential. Stage Manager performance will finally feel exactly like using a real desktop computer. You can have multiple heavy apps open on external monitors at the same time. Apps constantly refreshing in the background could finally become a thing of the past. You can leave a heavy project open, look away for hours, and return to find it exactly where you left it. This is the true meaning of a pro device. It adapts to your workflow instead of forcing you to adapt to its limitations. In my opinion, this upcoming M6 iPad Pro sounds like an absolute game changer on paper. Giving every single model 16 GB of RAM is the exact pro move Apple needed to make years ago. It stops punishing budget-conscious creators and finally unlocks the power of the chip. However, my biggest concern remains the cooling system. If Apple cannot handle the heat inside that tiny 5.3mm body, all of this raw power will be wasted the second the chip starts throttling. If they actually pull it off without overheating, this will easily be the best and most dominant tablet ever created. It will finally be the true laptop killer we have all been waiting for. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another massive tech update.